Hi guys, I'm Sebastian. I'm a customer operations rep on the freight side, and I've been at RPM for 1 year. I think the main thing that's changed for us has really just been we've seen a larger quantity of shipments, we've seen more complicated shipments, a lot more maybe hot team pertinent shipments. You know, maybe this is a line down situation and this needs to pick up in 30 minutes. Can you find a truck with a team? And it has to make on time. So to me, that kind of says that I think we've grown in some trust with the customer, and the customer really believes that we can handle these very pertinent hot shipments. But I think accepting that the customer's expectations and how we can service them maybe is always changing, and that we do have to always be aware ahead of it. And then in turn, nurturing these relationships, growing these relationships, servicing the customer and really getting ahead of their needs and their anticipations, I think really is what separates and puts RPM ahead of the curve in a company that is truly leading the industry.